Okay, here we go. We got a dry erase marker and a little glass dish. Archie's gonna draw us 2 fishies. And this was inspired by a good housekeeping collaboration of science experiments for children. We're gonna be doing many of them. Okay, we're gonna let that dry for a minute or 2, and then we'll gently add some water down the edge here. And we're gonna see what happens to these little fishies. Over here we go. All right, so I'm just gonna carefully pour some water down the side here. Oh, I broke it. See if it'll work. Okay, it broke, but you can see, look! Oh, what happened? The fishies are swimming! Do you think that could have happened with the Jiffy marker, Archie? Or do you think the Jiffy marker would have stuck to the cup? The fishies are swimming, Rosie! So, the thing is there's a couple things. What do you think is heavier, you guys? The water or the dry erase ink? What's heavier? The water's heavier because the ink has floated to the surface. Now, do you think that dry erase ink is soluble or insoluble? Archie, I'm asking a question. Do you think the ink is soluble or insoluble? It is insoluble, and the reason why is soluble means it absorbs water, so it would have absorbed into the water. But it's insoluble, so it does not absorb water, so it has retained its shape. Okay? If you're more careful, your fish might stick together better. Floaty fishies. Okay, Lou, we've got some straws. I would like you to just trim off right underneath that little bendy part. We don't want any bend in our straws. Okay, we'll do that. Meet you back. Good. All right, so I'm gonna just do an approximate, like 1 inch here, lengthwise. And I can do 2 in a row here. I'll trim one against the line, and then I'll cut it in half. I'll meet you back. Okay, I got my 2 strips, so now I'm gonna do 2 more strips. I'm gonna go this way. All right, so I'm gonna cut against this line and then cut in half, so I'll have 2 more strips. I'll meet you back. Okay, we're gonna loop these short ones together. Like so. And we're gonna loop the other short one together. And I'll loop the long ones together also and meet you back. Okay, right down here. I'm going to tape this straw on the inside of this airplane. And we're going to call this one the green machine. Alright, now we're going to tape this other side of the straw on the inside of the small loop. Okay, right here. Okay, so we taped this on the inside of the big one, and now we're going to take the straw on the other side on the inside of the small one. And we're calling this one the green machine, and it's ready to fly. Should we see how it flies?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. It's the green machine. Go ahead, Ozzy. Okay, let's see. Let's see if you can do better than that. All right, Archie, you're up.
I'm gonna try to.
All right. All right, we are flying the green machine. Hey, Bear. How you looking? How you looking, Sir Knight? Yo, Lancelot. Okay, so we have a half a cup of water here, and we're gonna put in 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And we're gonna give that a stir. We are making invisible ink. Okay, I'm gonna write a secret message. I need a piece of paper to write a secret message. Okay, I have a 1/4 of a cup of rubbing alcohol and a 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. I'm gonna give that a stir. So I've just lined all the papers with some parchment so the turmeric doesn't stain the table, and we're just gonna let our paper dry so you cannot see the residue. All right, look, you're uncovering it. So cool, Rosie. You like that experiment? Bear, you want to uncover Mom's message?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Take this and do it right up here. Paint that. Whoa!